Once you're done eating your mussels, never throw away that golden liquid resting at the bottom of your pot. That briny broth is pure flavor, perfect for sauces, risottos, or today's star, our silky mussel soup. First, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve. Today I got lucky and I even got extra mussels left over. Scoop out the leftover mussels and tuck them into the fridge. Discard the spent vegetables, they have already lent all their flavor. Return the mussel broth to the stove and bring it to a gentle simmer. Cook until the liquid reduces by about 1/3, concentrating its richness. Then stir in heavy cream and keep it at a soft boil for a few minutes, allowing the soup to thicken just enough for a velvety finish. Taste for seasoning, add salt and pepper if needed. Ladle the hot soup into a deep bowl and nestle the chilled mussels in the center. The warmth of the broth will reheat them to perfection. Add some cracked black pepper for taste and presentation. Grab a spoon, dig in and enjoy this elegant twist on your leftovers. If you want to know more about cooking with mussels, check out my video on how to cook mussels Belgian style.